I've been practicing law for 40 years. And those of you that know me can confirm that I don't bow to many a motherfucker. I bow to my mentor, Johnny Cochran Jr. I bow to my other mentor, Bruce Bralette. And I also bow to Dale Galipo. And let me tell you why. Dale Galipo is a civil rights lawyer extraordinaire. I understand that in CAOC, a member is nominated for the Trial Lawyer of the Year based on their work on a single case. Some win this award because of the size of the verdict. Others win this award because of the nature of the case and the lawyer's efforts to win the case. Still, others win because it was just their time. Dale Galipo should win the Trial Lawyer of the Year for all three of those reasons. Nobody has tried a more important case this past year, given these times. In the wake of George Floyd, Stephon Clark, Breonna Taylor, this year, as you vote for the Trial Lawyer of the Year, you have a chance to make a statement. This year, you have a chance to say what matters. This year, you have a chance to make a difference. Let me get the facts out of the way. J. Schroeder versus the City of San Bernardino, Federal Court, Central District of Los Angeles. A police fight results in a detached retina. Mr. Schroeder was blinded in his right eye. As always, the cops denied liability. They offered $7,500 initially. Just go away. Nuisance value. Eventually, after the defense squeezed all of their money out of the file, they offered $50,000 right before trial. 1 week later, after just 2 hours of deliberation, the jury returned a verdict of $3 million. When attorney fees were added, the verdict was $3.34 million. But this year, I say the award is more than just about the raw numbers. Because you see, Dale Galipo tried 4 other police cases from May to May of this year. He tried 6 cases from May to May of the prior year. Hell, he tried 9 cases from May to May of 2018, including a $33.5 million verdict for a single death in San Bernardino. I'm still trying to figure out how the fuck that happened. 19 trials in 3 years, and he won 17 of them. And nobody faces tougher odds. Folks, these are tough cases. You see, cops never admit doing anything wrong. And jurors believe almost everything coming out of a police officer's mouth. I know firsthand how difficult these cases are. I dare say, I've had police cases where I would walk into the conference room and be afraid when I saw my client's surviving family. The family scared the shit out of me, and they were the survivors. That's how tough a world we work in. Every case he tried involved someone who has had a negative interaction with law enforcement officers. Here, the jury was told that Mr. Schroeder was convicted of evading the police. They were told he was convicted of a reckless. Oh yeah, he was driving on a suspended license. They were told that. Oh yeah, Dale had no economic damages to admit. Oh yeah, it was federal court, so the verdict had to be unanimous. I dare say most of you would reject most of the cases that he won this past year. You'll note on the form that Dale Galipo stands alone. He tried this case by himself. He was brought on for trial, but he tried the case himself. CAOC has not awarded a single lawyer for over 10 years for this great award. Let me tell you something about Dale himself. He's a kid from the suburbs of Cleveland, close to where LeBron James is from, who came to LA some 30-odd years ago to attend UCLA Law School. I went to Bode Hall, so I dare say, despite that initial setback, he's been able to achieve great things in his legal career. He worked as a criminal lawyer before becoming a plaintiff lawyer in 2020. He's never loud or boisterous unless he's in front of a camera at a press conference, and then he goes crazy. But don't we all? He could pass for Andrew Dice Clay's younger brother. He wears dark three-piece suits in trial. I don't get how he does it. He bucks convention, but he just wins. And what's more, he's had 12 published opinions in civil rights cases. 12. He's won 44 police trials in the last 6 years. I dare say Dale Galipo has tried more police misconduct cases over the last 7 years than any other lawyer in America. Your vote for Dale Galipo would be historic. This is a political organization, so I'm appealing to you to make a political statement. This is a civic organization, so I'm appealing to you to vote for a civil rights lawyer. None of us have ever been so honored by this organization before. And I'm appealing to your emotion because I believe this organization has heart. This is
your 7 minutes are up.
To select Dale Galipo as our trial lawyer of the year. By honoring him, you honor all of you. So please join me in voting for Dale Galipo. Thank you.